afternoon. Hey everybody. It is Thursday. 4th of July weekend's coming up. It's gonna be really fun. I got something new to wear for 4th of July. My dad's having a huge barbecue and we'll play games. And my dad's family's gonna be there, some of my friends. I think it's gonna be a good time. I think there's gonna be a good amount of people and we're all gonna have a lot of fun. And I'm trying to think of what I did last year for 4th of July. Eric was living here in Washington and I was living in Nevada. And he came up for the weekend and we went to watch fireworks with my friend Annette. That was a lot of fun. This year, where my dad lives, I guess it's legal to light off fireworks.
Good afternoon, fireworks. What can I do for you today?
Can I have a venti iced caramel macchiato with soy? I feel like since I sang that at my last video, I should sing it every time when I drive away from the drive-thru. Then you gotta mix it up. Look how pretty she is now, all nice and clean, except for right there. What's that? Ooh, oh gosh, oh no, I made it worse. Oh, I made it so much worse. I forgot I had all this makeup on my hand from Ulta. Ah! We got a hose now. Eric got that one all set up.
I'm so scared. Okay, here's about our gap right there. I think that looks pretty good.
Yeah.
Should be able to fit together pretty well.
It happens when discover a new leak in the wall. Should I do a top first so I'm not filling in the water the whole time? Yeah, I did top first. That was Kyle's food. Shays. That's so scary. That's so scary. Are you gonna hold it? Are you gonna get it? Is it leaking? Because it's clearly leaking right in it. Oh, you're good. You're good. That's residue. Residual. No leaks right now.
It's gonna work.
It seems like it should.
How sure are you that it's gonna work?
5% confident.
That's not very confident.
Can I have the channel locks? Yeah, I really don't know.
Channel locks?
Every day I'm in there with the boy, but I'll never say his name. It's just the
Should we take off the, see how I did that? The skills? Should I just put it on or should we cut off this excess that's scored right here?
Or you can put it on and then cut it off if it's an issue.
Oh god, alright. Okay, go turn on the water.
Is it leaking?
No.
No, but it's working.
Can I try it?
Test the fridge.
Water?
There is a penis there. Oh god, it's got some power.
Water!
I'm so proud of ourselves.
It took 3 days.
Don't say that.
Now everyone's gonna know.
Don't let anyone know that.
3 days.
Oh, it's drip.
Where? Who did that portion? Jack! Come, Jack! Wanna come dance with me? Jax! You like to dance? Okay, get down. Good boy. No, he did it while I was He's just happy standing there. Oh, cuddle time. They're like too hot to even wrestle with you. They're like, let's just lay down. Oh, so cute! Look how cute you are!
Jackson, choking me. We fixed it with a little piece.
With 12 minutes to spare.
So only 3 days to tap water to the fridge. Woo! New record. Just a personal record.
Shan, what are we getting ready to go do?
Go to the 4th of July parade! Woo!
4th of July parade! We found us a little friend to come with us. Say hi! Hi! She's like, oh
She's
no.
not very talkative today.
Not yet. Eric and Shan are shading the baby while we wait. It is hot outside. It's really hot outside. It's super hot.
Know that it's okay to eat it.
Yeah, you can tell her,
Is she
baby.
suck on it?
I can trade out for Tootsie Roll. There's Eric. We're standing in his shade because our feet are so hot. So he's creating shade for us. Look over there. Ooh.
I being professional.
Yeah? You just want to move here because there's a racetrack. No, going to the racetrack really seems to get you in trouble.
By the time I can move here is when like everything will be developed.
We'll have to move somewhere else.
Yeah, right now I'm working at Tears.
Aaron knows what this is about. Camera.
I know I haven't seen them all, but I'm excited. I went out of town, and so I got left out of the loop.
Kristen, did you finish your water? I'm not gonna lie about it. Dad, let us do it again. I know, I'm so mad I missed that. That was so good.
Yeah.
It's on.
Eric is shooting arrows up, and we're all playing roulette by
Straight
laying on the
up.
ground
Ready?
and seeing who it hits. Oh my god, his feet are starting to hurt. No one this time.
I know,
There's
I'm
an
on
extra
point
mess
this
on the
entire
ground.
time. Alright, turn the lights on.
Here we go.
We'll play this when it's dark out and everyone's super wasted.
I'm already excited.
That'll be good, yeah.
Let me like direct you a little bit.
You're still going that way too much. Go that way a little more. A little more.
way.
No, Dad. Dad, I've seen him every time. Right there. Right there.
That's way off.
See, I was
way
trying to
off.
push you too.
What?
Oh, that would have been perfect.
I don't understand. But
You
you're so
guys,
good at
I'm
this.
just gonna do my thing because it was working,
It was
and
a
I
good
listened to
game
you
for a minute,
guys.
and all of a sudden it went down the tube.
That was too far forward.
Flaming balls.
How many beers is this? 6. Pretty good for you. I don't know if I caught it.
This is so fun.
I'm so nervous. Are you ready?
Oh my gosh! That could have been so dangerous!
You got your phone at Jay.
Oh my god!
At least hold it over the curb.
Oh my god!
Shoot back at us.
Oh.
We've been there, we've done that.
Are you okay?
And I definitely didn't say that. I don't know you got that.
Someone was like, make sure you let it go. Okay. Let it go.
See, and I heard hold loosely to it, so I did that.
Shannon did the opposite thing. So I let go and she held on.
Mine was kind of like hot on my face area. Just saying.
There's a risk for shooting someone in the eye, but it's fine.
What? Is this infants? Does that, how does it smell?
There you go. Oh, they got a report.
There you go.
Come on, Kristen.
This is fun.
Let loose. You have an opener on your keychain?
Run away, Shane!
Get out of there! Oh, that was so cool. James!
No.
Oh God! Get out of there! Get out of there!
Okay, good job, Sandra.
She took the rule too literal.
She's like, oh wait.
Oh wait.
Oh, poor Shay.
Until it's lit. Come on, Shay!
I don't want that. Yep. Yep. Yes, all three.
I'm just gonna hold this, I guess.
Maybe
You're good. Nice, Jake.
Why can't Shay light this? I use it.
Ow! Make it happen. Shay's using her new
Is she got a
match
match?
lighting techniques.
What's that?
Shay just finally learned how to light a match with a pack of matches the other day.
Ooh, I taught her myself.
One, see if it lights the other, dude.
Where's the so fun? I think people should just like having one of those.
You guys ready for some more to come this way?
That's where they lit off all of them at the same time.
Is that their finale? They had like tables full of fireworks over there.
Oh my gosh!
Just right.
Put the sunglasses on every time.
I can see your direction though, but it's
Hoping it is a deep.
Eric, don't get hit.
a little more that way. A little bit more.
Incoming!